The trees are hung with crystal lamps, the world lies still and white, and the myriad little twinkling stars are sharp with keener light. The moon sails up the frost-clear sky and silvers all the snow, as she did perchance that Christmas night 2,000 years ago. Good people, are you waking? Give us food and give us wine, for the sake of Blessed Mary and her infant Son divine, who was born the world's Redeemer, a Savior, yours and mine. Long ago angelic harpers sang the song we sing today, and the drowsy folk of Bethlehem may have listened as they lay. But eager shepherds left their flocks, and o'er the desert wild the kingly sages journeyed to adore the Holy Child. Has any man a quarrel? Has another used you ill? The friendly word you meant to say, is that unspoken still? Then remember 'twas the angels brought glad tidings of goodwill. Of all the gifts of Christmas are you fain to win the best? Lo, the Christ child still is waiting himself to be your guest. No lot so high or lowly, but he will take his part, if you do but bid him welcome to a clean and tender heart. Are you sleeping? Are you waking? To the manger haste away, and you shall see a wondrous sight amid the straw and hay. 'Tis Love himself incarnate, as on this Christmas day.